first products: tire pressure sensor replacement valve stem for Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Hyundai, Volvo, Nissan, Honda. TPMS repair kit stainless steel is $44.18. The second products for BMW E70X5, E71, E72, X6 parking handbrake park control switch button 6131-914-8508 car accessories is $98.75. The third products 1J09598338 for VW, Bora, Jetta, Golf, Mk4, Passat, B5 1999 to 2005 electric control fuel tank gas switch single release button 4PINS is $43.69. The fourth products 52933F 2000 52933F 2000 TPMS pneumatic air pressure gauge for Kia, Nitro, Optima, Hyundai, Elantra, Ioniq, Kona, Grandeur, K5i30 433 MHz is $58.36. The fifth product SNEVOS A93570-3E410BL for Kia Sorento 2002, 2005, 2009 car spare part master window switch keypad button 93570-3E410-93570-3E410 is $138.03. The sixth products Nevosa for Peugeot 301 2014 to 2017 Aircross Picasso 980252001ZD electric master power window switch glass lifter button 980251889ZD is $82.66 with 15% discount applied. The The 7th products TPMS repair kit tire pressure sensor valve stem replacement for GM Buick Cadillac Chevrolet GMC 4/20/40 PCS aluminum alloy rubber is $43.51. The 8th products electric power window control switch glass button for Peugeot 307 SW3H3A/CCC Peugeot 407 6C60 SW Peugeot 406 8B6554.KT is $61.98. The 9th products 187 0910187 0909 for Scania PGRT series truck cruise control switch speed steering wheel button knob Autocruise menus is $117.67 with 30% discount applied. The 10th products Nevosa electric car window lifter switch for Mercedes Sprinter 2010 to 2017 for VW Crafter A9065451213 A9065451513 A9065451913 is $89.05. The 11th products 37 PINS for Honda Spirior Civic 2015 to 2018 35750T6LH21 auto power window control switch lifting door lock car parts accessories is $99.88 with 16% discount applied. The 12th products 135987773 TPMS Tyre Preesure sensor for Cadillac CT6 SRX XT5 Chevrolet Impala Aveo Tahoe Malibu GMC Terrain Savannah Buick Regal is $32.80 with 20% discount applied.